In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini with Google Maps. This integration can truly enhance your experience by making navigation more efficient and personalized. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you need to familiarize yourself with Google Gemini. Gemini is an innovative platform that incorporates AI capabilities to provide a more intuitive interface and personalized recommendations. It works seamlessly with many Google services, including Google Maps, to create a cohesive and user-friendly experience. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head on over to the Google search page. Here, type in Google Gemini. You'll see a list of search results. Click on the official Google Gemini link to proceed. This should direct you to the main interface of Google Gemini, where you'll find various options tailored for better interaction. Once you're on the Gemini platform, take a moment to explore the layout. You want to familiarize yourself with where everything is located. The next step is to navigate to the settings. Look for a gear icon or a similar options symbol, typically located at the top or side of the interface. Go ahead and click on that to open the settings menu. Within the settings, you'll see multiple categories. One of these is personal intelligence. This section is critical, as it allows Gemini to learn more about your preferences, enabling it to serve you better. Click on Personal Intelligence to proceed. Now that we're in Personal Intelligence, look for the option marked Connected Apps. This is where the magic happens. By connecting different applications, you allow Gemini to pull information and provide more aligned suggestions, including those for Google Maps. When you click on Connected Apps, you might see a range of applications that are compatible with Gemini. This list could include various Google services and other third-party applications. Now, if you look for Google Maps on that list, you'll likely find it listed there. Depending on your version, the interface may slightly differ, but the general concept remains the same. Once you spot Google Maps, you might need to enable the connection. Typically, there will be a toggle switch or an Add button near the application's name. Click that to connect Google Maps with Gemini. This integration ensures that the suggestions you receive from Google Maps become more tailored to your needs, such as your frequent destinations or preferred routes. After connecting, I recommend navigating back to Google Maps. Open the app or the web version. You should now notice how Gemini is influencing your experience. Expect to see recommendations that are more personalized. For instance, it might highlight routes that avoid heavy traffic based on your past searches, or suggest nearby restaurants or stops based on your previous visits. As you start using this integration, take note of how your preferences evolve. Gemini learns over time, so the more you interact with both Gemini and Google Maps, the better these recommendations will become. Additionally, if ever you feel the need to manage these settings or make adjustments, you can always return to the Settings menu in Gemini and tweak the connected apps as needed. There you have it. By connecting Google Maps with Gemini, you're now equipped to navigate your world with more personalized guidance. I hope this helps enhance your experience with Google Maps. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy navigating!